Hi there, this is Sarnan, the founder of TurboTenant. I've personally had hundreds of tenants, and I can tell you, having a great rental application is the starting point for a great landlord-tenant relationship. TurboTenant provides you with a thorough online rental application and screening process. You'll have all the industry standard information you need to make an informed decision about each renter. Best part, it's completely free for landlords. To get started, add your rental property to TurboTenant. You'll fill in the basic information about your property so the renter knows they are applying to the right place. After you add your rental property in TurboTenant, you can invite an applicant to apply directly or share your listing page with them by TurboText or email. This invite will include the link to bring them to the online application for your property. The interested renter starts by selecting who they'll be living with and when they would like to move in. From there, they'll start to add details about themselves, including their contact information, as well as an emergency contact, so you'll have that on file if they do become a tenant. Our rental application asks for both current and past addresses in order to give you insight into their rental history. Renters are required to include their previous landlord's contact information as well. To make your life easier, TurboTenant automatically reaches out to their previous landlords on your behalf to request a reference. Their previous landlord can answer a series of questions on their experience renting to them, and will let you know when you receive a past landlord reference in, and will make those responses available to you alongside the renter's application. The next step gathers other essential information, like if they have pets or if they smoke. And to give more confidence you're renting to the right person, there's a series of self-reported background questions that you can later cross-reference with TurboTenant's screening report. While our application is very thorough, if you have additional questions you'd like applicants to answer, you can add those custom questions from the settings area and they'll show up here. At this point, the renter uploads any relevant documents, like a pay stub or bank statement to verify their income, as well as a copy of their ID. If there are any additional documents you'd like, make sure to communicate that to the renter so they'll know to upload them. Then the renter pays for the application fee. This covers the cost of our platform and includes the credit and background check. There are 2 application fees in TurboTenant. Most common is our $45 Pro application, which includes a credit, national criminal report, and eviction history. Your account is defaulted to the more common Pro report, but you can change this within the TurboTenant account in the settings area. After they pay, the renter sets a password for their TurboTenant account, which will enable them to be able to go back and edit information on their application, including additional uploads or documents that you might need. Applicants can also add a picture of themselves and a short bio to help personalize their application. Lastly, we'll ask the renter to verify their identity and approve a credit and background check immediately after completing their application. We do this so that if you request their screening report, they don't have to go back and do this step later. Instead, you'll receive their report instantly. Once a renter completes their application, we'll send you an email immediately letting you know that you have a new applicant and that their information can be immediately accessed within your TurboTenant account. With all this information on each renter, you'll have everything you need to make a decision, find the best tenants, and fill your vacancy fast.